In the competitive automotive industry, quality standards are non-negotiable. CDG Training, a leader in online certification, brings you the IATF 16949 Lead Auditor Course. Our comprehensive self-learning course is tailored for professionals like you. Learn every essential aspect of the IATF 16949 standard at your pace. As automotive quality standards grow, so does the need for certified auditors. Our interactive platform makes online learning engaging and flexible. Gain insights into quality management systems critical to automotive success. Master core tools and techniques that set industry leaders apart. Guided by experts, our self-learning approach empowers you with knowledge. Delve into practical auditing principles used by top industry professionals. Prepare for certification with confidence through structured training. Upon completion, earn a certificate that proves your expertise. Stand out with credentials recognized globally in the automotive field. Ready to lead in quality management? Visit www.cdgtraining.com to enroll today. CDG Training, empowering professionals with global standards.